Here's our TV running again. That's just the air antenna, and we were gonna get rid of it at first, but then we decided it makes sense to keep it. During Hurricane Ian, we lost all of our internet and found a DVD player online, Amazon Prime, warehouse used, $8 delivered, and we're gonna put that up there and put some DVDs up there. I took off all of the curtains. How many curtains are on board a 38-foot Lagoon 380 catamaran? 20 curtains. I washed and repleated 20 curtains, and I'm going to put them up here. The bed that's going to go there. Everything is like covered in a thin layer of grime. Crap on it. Like the wall? Crap. Oh yeah, there we go. Freaks me out. Everything. My favorite flea market hat. I actually dropped this in the ocean a couple times, so I'll just probably rinse that off again. Everything. The reserve for the dog pillow. He's a standard poodle, and he needs his pillow. And then my Better Together pillow. Here's like all that crap. That goes on a wall somewhere, and I'll find out where it goes. People think sometimes when you're in a small space, it's easier to keep clean. It's not. The thing that people don't tell you about small spaces is that they're usually multifunctional. All this stuff under here, to like rip off all of the couch stuff to get to this stuff. Fucking bad design. There's no reason not to make this accessible that way. Pull this up so I can get to this. Bullshit. It's bullshit. I have to pull off all of my seating to get to this. We can put a drawer right here and we can pull it out and get to it. My job today is to clean the enormous mess of the boat. Tomorrow I am going to be stress testing the crap out of all the new stuff. So here we go.